Okay, to start off, you want to cut out strips of cardboard. Make sure you're using thin cereal box cardboard. It makes it easier to articulate. So what I'm doing here is I cut up scrap pieces of cloth, and I'm using those strips of cardboard to make the Sabaton articulate. Just overlapping the strips of cardboard and bending them, and then gluing the strips of cloth onto it. So to make the toe cover, this is the end of the Sabaton. I cut out this kind of crescent shape, and I put slits in it so that it can actually bend. And we'll glue the plates. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so here's what I mean. I overlapped the pieces of cardboard and glued them so it gives it that curved shape in the front. And that overlapping method I was talking about earlier of making it articulate, you want to continue that until you get to your ankle. So once you have your Sabaton all good, you want to just make sure it's up to your ankle. I cut out these curved shapes because your foot curves up, and then you're just going to do the same overlapping method we did earlier, but with these different pieces, and it'll give us some mobility in the ankle. So here's a Sabaton with those angled, curved plates. The last three I just glued because that one already kind of articulates enough. And unlike the first Sabatons I made, this won't require slippers. You could just go over a shoe, and then we'll have a strap on the back. Make sure you're wearing your greaves if you have them. And yeah. So here you can see that leather strap. It's just connected with a buckle and just snaps into place. So right now we're going to do a quick mobility test. So once you have your second one built, that's it. Those are your Sabatons. These specific ones are styled after the kind of a 16th century styled Sabaton. Of course, you can change it up a little bit depending on the time period you're looking for. I just went with this style because it's easiest, and yeah.